Self-sabotaging is the reason you aren't achieving all your goals and is the reason you aren't rich yet. So let me explain to you how this has personally affected me, and I'm going to explain to you guys what I've personally learned as a solution for this. Self-sabotage. This is something that I've gone through for a long time. And it's something that it doesn't just get fixed overnight. It's something that takes time. It's something that you don't even realize is happening until you go through experience, until you go through a lot of things. And this is one thing that I've definitely gone through for years. It's something that I've constantly done for 3 to 4 years now. Now, I'm a day trader. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Andre Diaz. I'm a day trader, entrepreneur. But the main thing I like to focus on and bring attention to is my trading. And the main thing with my trading that I've noticed is self-sabotage. Now, me personally, I can't speak for everybody else. We all go through different things. For me, for example, when it comes to self-sabotaging, what does that entail? That entails me taking trades I shouldn't be taking. The amount of trades I'm taking more than I should, or I'm not taking as many as I should. I'm not following the rules. Being disciplined, doing what I'm supposed to do regardless how I feel. That's a big one. That is a very big one. Doing what I have to do no matter how I feel. Feelings is the key to my downfall. It is what it is. And when I say emotions, I'm not saying like relationships. I'm just talking about emotions in general. How you feel when you lose a trade. How you feel when you win a trade. How you feel when you almost win or lose a trade. How you feel when you lose something outside of trading. When you hurt yourself. When maybe you're sick. All these different things, relationships is part of it. All of it comes together and makes you react in different ways. Everybody's different. The way I react, I may do some things that you don't do. But one thing that I tend to do, even though I know I shouldn't, is when I'm going through a lot in life, I tend to try to take more trades. I tend to try to risk more. I think it's just me trying to cope with trying to feel better, and it's not a good thing, and I understand that, but subconsciously it's a dopamine hit that I like having, but it's not good for me because I know it's not going to be beneficial for my success. This comes down to me just having to do it. There's no easy way around it. One thing I always try to ask myself, one thing I always say is like, why do I do this? Why did I take those trades? Why did I feel the way I did? What led me to feel this way that led to me doing this? Why? Because if I can figure out why, I feel as if I can figure out how to reverse engineer to keep it from happening. But one thing I'm starting to notice, I was watching a video on another guy. He said to stop worrying about why. And the main thing that I took away from that is it doesn't matter. Why is happening, why you feel how you feel, it doesn't matter. What matters is what you're going to end up doing regardless. Because no matter whether there's two people, one person could feel some type of way, the other person cannot feel some type of way. What matters is, are they going to do what they're supposed to do? If they don't, then how they feel is irrelevant. And I think there is value in that. Yes, it would be good to know why things happen, what is the cause to certain effects. In my case, over trading, over leveraging. Those are like the two main things. And when I say over leverage, I'm not saying I'm like risking my whole entire account. When I say I over leverage, I'm risking more than I should. Say for example, I'm only going to risk 500, I may risk 1,000. If I'm only supposed to risk 250, I may risk 500. Even though I'm not going to blow up the account doing it that way, it's just I know it's over leveraging from what the rules I have are. And that may be different depending on each and every person. Even if you're not a trader, things that you do, maybe it's content creation, maybe it's you're an editor, maybe you have a business, you're in sales, whatever it is, whatever industry you're in, whatever business you have, you got to understand self-sabotage is real. It really is. We keep ourselves down. We keep ourselves from achieving our fullest potential because we have everything we need. Everything I need. I can record this video right now and this can get 100,000 views. This can get 1 million views. I have what I need. I could do that on my phone. I've watched a video, somebody had only 2,000 subscribers. They had a video from 7 days ago and it's at 10,000 views. There was nothing crazy about the video. I can make the video. I can make that type of video and better. So what can they do that I can't? It comes down to what I'm not allowing myself to do. Maybe I'm not as consistent. Maybe I'm not putting as much time to understanding how to work a thumbnail, how to caption, how to do these different things. But it all comes down to me at the end of the day. I have what I need. When it comes to trading, I had the skill set. Why am I not rich yet? Because of myself. because I'm doing shit that's fucking myself over. I'm the one taking trades I shouldn't. I'm the one risking more than I should when I know I shouldn't. I'm the one having a great month and then losing it all in a week or two because I'm the one doing the dumb shit. I'm the one fucking myself up. It's not that I can't do it. It's not that it's not possible. It's not that I know I can do it. I know I'm going to do it. It pisses me off when I know I'm also the reason keeping me from getting there. I'm going to be the reason I get there, but I'm also the reason why I'm not there yet. And it's not a matter of if I'm achieving my goals. I always tell that to everybody. It's not a matter of if I'm achieving my goals. It's just a matter of when. And when is going to be all dictated on what I do. On what I do today, what I do tomorrow, what I do in 10 minutes, what I do in 50 minutes. And yes, it's hard. It's hard. But you guys got to understand that self-sabotage is real. You have what you need to be successful. Everything you have within you right now is all you need to be able to learn what you need to know, to get rich, to be able to apply the action, to be able to start building things. You have what you need already. It's just a matter of starting. It's just a matter of learning yourself, getting experience, understanding where you're self-sabotaging yourself, understanding what you need to become disciplined in, understanding your strengths, understanding your weaknesses. It's not easy. I've been on this trading journey for 4 years. I've been on an entrepreneur journey for probably 10, 15 plus fucking years, bro. It doesn't come easy. And even when I had this nice car don't mean shit. I can have this nice car with $0 in my bank account. What does that nice car mean? It means nothing. It means nothing. It's just an object. I can have a Lamborghini with $0 in my bank account. What does that mean? If I have a nice car, does that make me successful? No. If I have a nice car, and I'm able to consistently make money, I'm able to sustain myself. I'm able to buy multiple Lambos. I'm able to do whatever I want. I'm able to have freedom to do whatever I want. That's what I want. I'm able to have an audience that I can sell something to because they trust me. They know that I provide value and I can make money from it. That's what I want. I want to build an audience. I want to build a community, a digital footprint. I want to be in that space. I want to make money online, and I'm not going to stop until I get there. No matter what I do, no matter if I self-sabotage myself today, tomorrow, I know it's going to happen. I may fuck myself over and make it delayed way longer than it needs to, but that's something that I'm going to have to go through, and that's something that I have to face. I still face personal demons. I still face personal obstacles. There's no top. There's no fucking top. Once you think you reach the top, once you get comfortable, that's when everything gets fucked up. That's when everything is done. Once you think you reached the top, once you think you got that, you made it point, once you think, oh, I made it, I did this, I'm this, nah, you already lost. And I realized that after it happened, but it's something that needed to happen. I lost a lot of money, I've lost a lot of things, I've lost much things, but it was necessary. I don't regret nothing because I needed, and I learned what I needed to know at the right time. And it is what it is. Everything comes with a price. Are you going to be willing to pay it? I am. I'm willing to do whatever I have to because of my dreams. And some people may call that selfish. I just know what I want, and I have the vision, and nothing is going to stop me from achieving my goal. That's just how I am. That's just how I am. I'm just hardwired that way. I've always been like that, and I'm probably always going to be like that. And I like being like that because it keeps me aggressive. It keeps me focused. Even if something would take way longer than I ideally wanted to, I'm going to get it done, regardless. If I told myself I was going to pass a challenge, I'm going to pass it. May not happen in the times when I wanted to, but I guarantee you I'm going to pass it. If I told myself I'm going to make money trading, I made money trading. If I told myself I was going to make money online, on YouTube, I haven't withdrew the money yet, but I have money sitting on there on YouTube. I think it's like $89. Nothing crazy. But the one video that done 2 days ago, that's just at 1.8 thousand views. I made like $5 from that video in 2 days. That $5 could be 50. That $5 could be 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000. The only thing that I added is a couple zeros to the views, the ad revenue, and that's it. It all comes down to having a plan, understanding we have what we need. I want you guys to understand that you have what you need to be successful. You see me in this nice car, you can have it. You can have this car with everything you have right now. You may not know the knowledge required, but you have what you need to go out and learn that knowledge, to go learn how to get this car, to learn how to trade, to learn how to make money online, to learn how to make YouTube videos, to learn how to edit. You can start everything right now. I don't care where you are, even if you're in fucking Africa. They got phones in Africa now, so I don't want to hear shit. As long as you got access to the internet, as long as you can go to Dunkin' Donuts, get free Wi-Fi, you can make it work. It's just a matter of, are you going to make it work? Because self-sabotaging is the reason why you're not where you are. We all go through things. We got to stick together. We got to understand We can learn from each other. The same things I go through, you may go through. So you may be able to learn from me before it happens, so you're better prepared. Vice versa, you may be going through things that I haven't gone through yet. I always thought I always had like this weird thing in the back of my head. Before I made a lot of money, I always told myself, I made a whole bunch of money, but I've never been poor. And that's something that is I've learned a lot from that. But I appreciate everybody for watching this video. I don't want to miss this like. But if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment below. Anything. Shit, comment saying what's up, bro. Anything. And also, if you want to learn how to trade, make sure you check out the free trading course in the description. And if you want to trade with me live every single day, then make sure you join the VIP Trading Network, where we all are actively looking to learn and grow every single day. So make sure you stay safe, stay productive. I'm about to go home, get to work, make sure I don't let self-sabotaging ruin me. Stay safe, stay productive, and fear being average.